Hello everyone. So today we are going to see what are equivalent fractions and what are the different properties of equivalent fraction and how to find it. So let's start our today's class. Equivalent fractions. So two or more fractions are called equivalent fractions if they have same value. They can be represented by following figure. Let us understand what are equivalent fractions by this figure. You can see first one. Here how many total parts are there? 1, 2. In second 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in third figure total 6 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how can we write this fraction? So first one fraction can be written as we know that how we are writing fraction, the shaded part, the number of shaded part upon total number of parts. So how many total parts are there? 1, 2. So in denominator we'll write 2. Out of 2 how many are shaded? 1. So that can be written as 1 by 2. In second one total parts are 4 and shaded are only 2. So it can be written as 2 by 4. Same in third one, out of 6 parts 3 parts are shaded. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, which represent the same shaded parts of the above figure. If we place the pictorial representation of over one over the another, they are found to be equal. Pictorial means by picture how can we show that they are equal. You can see that this one also how many total parts are given. If you consider it is first part, this is second part. Here also 1, 2, 1, 2. So it means that all the fractions are equal. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. So we can write it as 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. If you divide this, you can see that all fractions are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. It means the two or more fractions are said to be equal if they have the same value. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 all are equal as they have the same value 1 by 2. We will better understood in the following example. So this type of fractions are known as equivalent fraction. Now, how to find equivalent fraction of a given fraction? To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Let us see the first example. We have to find the 5 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So how to find? 2 by 3 is already given and we have to find its equivalent fraction which is equal to 2 by 3 only. It means or directly we can say that equivalent fraction means writing the table only of the given numerator and denominator. So first we'll multiply by 2. If you are multiplying in numerator by 2, then you have to multiply in denominator also by 2 only. So multiply 2 in both numerator and denominator. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. After this, in 2 by 3 only, you have to multiply in both by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. After this you have to multiply by 4, then 5, then 6. So you can see that the 5 equivalent fractions are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. And here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 12, 15 and 18. So easily you can see that equivalent fraction means only we have to write the table. Or you can say that 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. How can we say that they are equivalent? If you divide 4 and 6 by 2 again, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. You can see that here 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. It means 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. And what is the meaning of equal? Equal means if all the fractions are equal. If we check 6 by 9 and 2 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again we can see that 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. It means 2 by 3 and 6 by 9 are equal. So equivalent fraction means only writing the table of the given numerator and denominator. That was the first property. Now first another property of equivalent fraction is in two equivalent fraction the product of numerator of first and the denominator to the product of denominator of first and numerator of second. Here in two equivalent fraction the product of numerator of first and the denominator of second is equal to product of denominator of first and numerator of second. So this is given the general form. A by B and C by D. Let these are the two equivalent fraction. Then A by B is equal to C by D. If any two fractions are given equal, then we can directly say that A multiplication D is equal to C multiplication B. Here A by B is equal to C by D, means let us take this is the first fraction, it is second one. Then if both are equal, then the multiplication of A into D is equal to multiplication of B into C. Let us see one by example. Here 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. Now we have to check. Whether they are equal or not. So multiply this. Numerator of first and denominator of second fraction. Same numerator of second and denominator of first. So multiply 2 into 6. 2 into 6 and 4 into 3. So 2 6 are 12. 4 3 are 12. Now you can see that if 12 is equal to 12 or if LHS is equal to RHS, then you can say that these two fractions are equal. So this is the property of equivalent fraction. In equivalent fraction, AD is equal to BC. Now next one, simplest form of a fraction. What do you mean by simple form? A fraction is said to be in lowest term or simplest form if its numerator and denominator do not have any common factor except 1. Or there is one working rule that to reduce a fraction into simple form, divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. For example, you can see that here 2 and 3. You can see that what if they are common. What is the common fact? What are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Same, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So which is the common factor here? Only 1. So this is the simplest form. Or we can take 4 by 6. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. So 4 by 6, it is not a simple form. It means we can reduce into smaller number again. So how can we do? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 by 3. As we have seen before, 2 by 3 only have common factor 1. So 2 by 3 is the simplest form of a common of our fraction. You will better understood when we will solve the example on based on this topic. This is only the overview of our the topics. Now let us start our exercise 7.3. Write the fractions and are all these fractions equivalent? Using these pictures you have to write the fraction. In first one, how many 4 figures are given? And you have to write the fraction according to the shaded part. In first one you can see that how many stars are given? 1, 2 and 3. Out of this only 1 is shaded. So how can we write it as 1 by 3. Second here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 how many are shaded? 2. So this can be written as 2 by 6. Then in third one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 here 12. Out of 12 how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write it as 4 by 12. And next one here 9 are given. Out of this 3 are shaded. So it can be written as 3 by 9. After writing this fraction we have to check whether they are equal or not. So how they are equal? 1 by 3. Here 2 by 6 is given. So we know that 2 by 6 can be written as 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. It means it can also be written as 1 by 3. Same 4 by 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Means 4 by 12 we can write it as 1 by 3. And last one 3 by 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. It means all the 4 fractions can be written as 1 by 3. Here all fractions are equal to 1 by 3 only. So easily we can say that yes, all the fractions are equivalent fractions. Same here, you have to find the second one. In second one, here 2 parts are given. 1 is shaded. It means it can be written as 1 by 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this 2 are shaded. So 2 by 4. Here again 2 by 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, 3 are shaded. So 3 by 6. Now 2 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 means 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Means all the fractions can be written as 1 by 2. Here all the fractions are equal. So we can say that yes, all the fractions are equivalent fractions. Like this you have to solve the third one and it is your homework. Now let's move to question number 3. Replace star in each of the following by correct number. Here one vacant place of you have to fill in the blanks like this question is given. In place of star you have to find a number. So we can take this unknown star as, take it as x. Here 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by x is given. And what is the meaning of equal sign? It means 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by x. And we have seen that equal means, what is the meaning of this equal? That these two fractions are equal. Or we can say that here 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by x. So what is the property? That property says that the multiplication of numerator and denominator of second is equal to the multiplication of numerator of second one and denominator of first. It means you have to cross multiply this. Like this, by using this one we can find the value of x. So multiply 2 into x and 7 into 8. So 2 into x, 8 multiply 7. And we have used here the property of equivalent fraction. As equal is given, it means 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by x. Here two fractions are equal, that's why we can use that. Here we can multiply 2 into x and 8 into 7. Now here 2 is given in multiplication, so if you move to right hand side it will change into divide. We can write 2, if we change 2 to right hand side it will change into division. So 8 by 7 into 2. There are two types of method you can solve. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Here one thing you have to note, that we can divide only when if they are divisible by only one single table. It means 2 and 8 should be divisible by 2 only. Then only we can cut, otherwise you have to write as it is. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now which numbers are left here? 4 into 7 upon 1. So 7 fours are 28, and 28 upon 1 we can write it as 28 only. It means the value of the x here is 28. Or second one is that without cutting, here 8 by 7 into 2. First you can multiply 8 into 7. 8 sevens are 56 upon 2. And what is the meaning of 56 upon 2? It means you have to divide 56 by 2. If you divide, you will get the answer as 28. So you can use any of the method as you like, as this method will take lesser time. That's why we have directly divide here. Without multiplying we can find the answer also. So in place of star, first you have to take x, as they are equivalent fractions, so you have to use the property that cross multiply 2 into x, 8 into 7. As 2 is given in multiplication, so if we take to right hand side it will change into divide. It will come here in denominator. And then you can directly multiplying also, or without multiplying you can cut and find the answer. Let us see the second one. Like this you have to find second. Then third one, 45 by 60 and 15 by star. Again in place of star we'll take x. Now cross multiply 45 into x and 15 into 60. Again 45 is given in multiplication, so we'll take into in division. So 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. As 15 and 45 is divisible by a single number 15 only, that's why we have divide here. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 20s are 60. Or you can directly multiply 15 into 60 upon 45. Then also you can find the answer. So if you multiply 15 into 60, it will be as 900 upon 45. Now divide 900 by 45 by simple division method. So 45 twos are 90. Then 0 is left. So you have to write answer is 0 also. So answer is 20. So here, how can you use this method? 15 into 60 upon 45. In place of directly dividing 15 and 45 by 15 table, you can use 5 also, as both are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 15s are 45. Again you can divide, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now the number left is 1 into 60, 60 and 5. So again 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So answer is here 3 1s are sorry, it's a mistake. The 15 into 60 upon 45, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15 here. then you can use, if you divide this one, so you will get the answer as 20 only. So you can use the smallest table also for divisible this. So answer will be 20. So we can write it as 45 by 60, which is equal to 15 upon 20. Now 3 by 5 star upon 20. Now we have to find in place of numerator. So again we'll take in place of star as x. Now I'll cross multiply 3 into 20, x into 5. So 3 into 20 is equal to x into 5. Now as 5 is given in multiplication, so in this side we change it to divide. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Now multiply, the remaining numbers are 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. It means in place of numerator here 12 will come. Or directly also you can multiply 3 2s are 3 20s are 60 upon 5. If you divide, you will get the answer as 12. And how can you check that answer is correct or not? Now in place of star, we got the answer as 12. So keep it here as 12 upon 20. Now we have to check whether it is equal to 3 by 5 or not. So let us choose a number in which both by which both 12 and 20 are divisible. So it is 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. It means they are equivalent fraction, or our answer is correct. Here x value is 12 only. Same here you have to find the value of 5. Then see the question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. In this also we have found the value. So here equivalent fraction means 2 by 5 is given and we have to find a fraction which is equal to 2 by 5 only. And here denominator is given. It means we have to find the value of numerator. So how can you find it? Already 2 by 5 is given and we have to find in place of this numerator, and denominator is given as 15. It means by which number should we multiply or divide so that in place of 5 we can bring here 15. For that, here denominator is given 15 and here 5. So one thing you have to do, that you have to divide 15 by 5. So divide 15 by 5, answer is 3. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Only one thing you have to do. Here 2 by 5 is given. Now in place of denominator 15 is given and we do not know the value of this numerator. So what we have to do here? You have to divide this 15 by 5. You will get the answer as 3. It means if first you have to divide, and which number you got? 3. So multiply by here 3 in both numerator and denominator. So 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 6 by 15. It means 6 by 15 is equal to 2 by 5. You can check 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Nothing you have to do. First of all, 2 by 5 is given. Your denominator is 15. So you have to check by which number we should multiply here to get 15. We will multiply by 3. So same in numerator also you have to multiply by 3 only. In second one, numerator is given 4. 2 by 5 is already given and numerator is given 4 and denominator we have to find. So 2 into by which number? Here greater number is given and here smaller number. It means we have to multiply only. So by which number we multiply? By 2. If you are multiplying by 2 in numerator, then denominator also you have to multiply by 2 only. So multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So answer is 4 by 10. Like this, in first and second one, you have to find the answer of third and fourth one. Then fifth one, find the equivalent fraction of 35 by 28 with. We have used here two type of method. In first one, we have find by dividing. If denominator is given, then you have to divide by the denominator. And if numerator is given, then you have to divide. Here 2 by 5 is given. 4 is given numerator, denominator is not given. So if you want to find the numerator, then you have to divide numerator by numerator. But in this question number 5, we'll follow the second type of method. You can use any one in question number 4 and 5 as you like, as you find to find the answer easy. So find the equivalent fraction of 35 by 28. 35 by 28, and we have to find a fraction which is equal to this one, and numerator is given 5. So what we have to find here? Denominator. So we can write it as 35 by 28 is equal to 5 by d. As they are equivalent fraction, so we know that in equivalent fraction the property says that 35 multiply d is equal to 28 multiply 5. Using the property only we have to find the answer. So 35 multiply d is equal to 28 multiply 5. Now in previous question we have seen that if it is given in multiplication we have to change into division. So we can cut here only 5 ones are 5 as 5 multiplied 28 is equal to 35. We know that 5 and 35 are divisible by 5. So we can cut here only 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. After this 1 into 28, 28, and here 7 is left. Again you can see that both are divisible. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. It means 4 by 1 can be written as 4 only. So what is the value of denominator here? 4. So d is equal to denominator is 4. So in place of that star or d, it will be written as 35 upon 28 is equal to 5 by 4. Now denominator is given 4 and we have to find the value of numerator. So we have to find an equivalent fraction, means a fraction which is equal to 35 by 28, where denominator is 4 given, it means write here 4, and numerator is not given, so write here n. So again by using the property 35 into 4 is equal to 28 multiply n. So write here 35 into 4 is equal to n multiply 28. Now we have to find the value of only single n. As 28 is given in multiplication, so if we take to next side, it will change into division. So 35 into 4 upon 28. Now we can see that 35 and 28. By which number we can divide so that both are equal? Or you can divide 4 and 28 also, or 35 by 28. Any two numbers you can take. So if we take 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Now how many numbers are left? 35 and 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. It means the numerator is equal to 5. Or directly by multiplying also you can find the answer here. First you have to multiply 35 into 4. So 5 fours are 20. It will be 140. After that you have to divide by 28 to 140. So 28, if you divide both you will get the answer as 5 only. But we can use here the short method so that you can find easily the answer. So answer is n is equal to 5. So 35 upon 28 is equal to 5 by 4 is the equivalent fraction.